After the last storm, I think the wind lifted and smashed it. It's totally destroyed right now. These are separated, so the water go inside easily. It's all separated. I miss these days, like the sunrise and training together in the water and see these busy boats in the water. It's very beautiful. And now we are missing it. And even the new generation that are coming out, they are missing. Yep. And I can't do any training camps. I can't go to any championship because some of the budget paid from us.
Can you afford to pay for those things?
I can afford? No, not yet. I want to show outside the other world that Lebanon can be in any championship, and any Lebanese rower can be there. When I am in the boat, I don't think in any of these. I get totally distracted from these. I just can hear the sound of the water, the boat on the water, and that's it. Nothing at all.